Good morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. So it's not even morning time right now, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. I just finished editing and uploading Vlogmas Day 6. So I was supposed to go to work today, but I didn't end up going. So I actually don't work tomorrow either, so I have this whole week off. I have a really bad headache right now and I wish it would go away. I don't know why my headache has been so bad lately, but I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail. I was gonna film me opening it, but I got way too excited and I forgot to film. You guys ready to see what came in the mail today? Boom! Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. I'm so excited. I pre-ordered this a couple months ago, so I'd be able to get it today. And I'm so excited to play it. I think I'm gonna wait till my sister gets home so we can play it together on the big TV. I'm so excited to play it. And last night they announced that Joker from Persona 5 is going to be in it. And I love Persona, so I'm so happy about this. And then I also got this in the mail. So if you guys have been following my Vlogmas, you know that I've been reading The Mortal Instruments and The Infernal Devices. So I actually saw that they had these graphic novels of The Infernal Devices, and I went ahead and picked them up to add to the collection and to read because, first of all, like, you can literally see what they look like and read the story at the same time. And they're a lot bigger in person than I thought they would be. I'm gonna read this one because I already read the first Infernal Devices book. And then I got them all used. So as you can see, this one says used on it, and I think it was a library book. Yeah, right here. It says manga. Infernal Volume 2, 714. So this one used to be a library book, and if you guys like to read and you want an idea of how to get cheap books, literally get them online on like eBay, and you can get them for like $2 or $3. They might not be in perfect condition, but it's usually like old library books and stuff like that. So as you can see, it's not in absolute perfect condition, but it doesn't look bad at all, and it just has the little sticker on the side that you just have to peel off. So yeah, I'm super excited to add these to my not Mortal Instruments, my Shadowhunters shelf in my room. And I'm really excited to read this because I can put like a face to a name, and this is going to be amazing. I'm so excited. And then I also got this in the mail, which is for the doctor I work for. She's pregnant. So for our Christmas party on Sunday, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this and give it to like her baby. So she's a Georgia fan, so I got her these two things for her baby when it's born. And then also, this package came in the mail. It's another present for my sister. I got her a bunch of elf makeup because she always complains that she doesn't have enough makeup or anything like that. So I bought her some, so if she doesn't wear it, I'll keep it. And then last night, I didn't show you guys in the video, but me and my sister picked out a couple things that we want for Christmas. And this lamp right here was originally $100, and it was 50% off last night, on sale for $50. So I have to wait till Christmas, and my mom's gonna wrap it. But it's a Harry Potter wand lamp, and it says Lumos on it, which is my gecko's name, if you guys are new to my channel and you didn't know that. So I'm getting that for Christmas. I'm super excited. And then I also got this. This was on sale for $15, the Grindelwald, and I don't know if it's Thestral, I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's like a little scene. It has Grindelwald and it has like a little stone ground, and I am so happy and excited to put this on my bookshelf. I still need to get the Fantastic Beasts books, and then my sister got some BTS stuff for Christmas, and my parents are officially done buying us stuff for Christmas, and I'm super excited to get this lamp so I can put it in the place of where my Christmas tree is after Christmas, because this lamp is so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the rest of the presents that I have. I don't think I have any more coming in the mail, so I think this is it for the presents that I'm doing. I already did a whole wrap with me video, so if you guys want to watch that, you can. I did like a Q&A and stuff. But I have a couple more. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my sister's first. I just got her that elf makeup like I showed you before. I'm gonna wrap hers first because she's coming home soon. But I wanted to show you guys my Grammy's present. I showed this in the last episode, but I wanted to add the picture at the top so she knew like what the bracelet was. So I printed out a black and white picture of Lucy at the top right here, so she'll know that like this charm bracelet is a copy of Lucy. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna wrap that because that's all done. And then I'm gonna wrap the baby gifts. It's a little bit later and I just finished getting ready. I just have my hair and makeup the same as I did yesterday. I have foundation on my lips, but we're just going to dinner and going to Walmart because I gotta get groceries and cooking materials and stuff because I have a work Christmas party on Sunday and I'm cooking sausage balls for. But we're doing that a little bit later. I just went ahead and got ready. Me and my sister are gonna go play Super Smash Bros. And I'm gonna give you like a little review on how I feel about it, but first I'm going to open my next pair of Harry Potter socks for the 12 days of socks. So here is what day 7 looks like. It's a Gryffindor symbol. The whole thing is literally coming up with the... Oh my god. Okay, so I think this is wrong. Why? Those should go up here with day 10. They didn't do very good at keeping these organized. Okay, I believe these are day 7, but all the socks are like moving around in different positions, so I have no idea. But they're red and they have the little footprints on them, and it says mischief managed on them. It says it on both of the socks. These are really cute. I really like the colors of them, and I love the little footprints on them. So that was today's pair of socks, and now me and my sister are gonna go play Super Smash Bros. Hey. You wanna go play? Come on, let's go play. Wake up so we can play Smash. Bruh. Got it. Blastoise. Okay. Alrighty then. Hello. Who am I? I'm her. You're her? You got a nice wig on. Nice! You like my wig? Yo! So we just got home from eating dinner and going to Walmart, and now my mom and my sister are wrapping presents. Ziggy. Ziggy. You don't own that. You scare her.
And the camera flash goes edit. And it goes
I don't know how to do all that. Okay, so it's been a pretty good day. I'm sorry the vlog was probably really boring. I didn't do too many exciting things, so I didn't have too much content to give you guys, so I'm sorry about that. But a lot of you guys just told me that you enjoy just raw vlogs of just like even like a typical boring day for me. You like watching them. So this was a typical boring day without work for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and read the comment of the day. This is from Shauna. It's either Yama or Llama. Not sure which one. And they said, wasn't having the best day, but this definitely made me feel better. You and your sister are hilarious. So thank you so much for the comment. That was so sweet. But I just wanted to go ahead and give like my first impressions and like I guess like a little review of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, just from playing it for a couple hours today. So I'm not like a huge Super Smash Bros. Fan. I've never been a huge fan of that game. I have it for my 3DS, I have it for the Wii, so I've played them and I have them. I'm just not like huge fans of the game, but I would definitely say that this one is really fun. I love all the different like arenas. I don't know if that's the word for it, like all the arenas that you can pick from. There were so many different ones that you could choose from. I like how you start with a little list of characters and then it builds up to you unlocking more and more characters. I don't know if that's how the past games worked. Maybe it did. Like I said, I didn't play them too much to know. So I think that's cool that you have to beat a certain character to unlock them to play as them. So I thought that was fun. I've always been really bad at learning controls, so I like that they had a little guide that showed you like all the different controls and everything to learn new moves, special attacks and stuff like that. I have not tried the online mode yet because honestly I am scared to death to try the online mode because I know I'm going to get absolutely wrecked because people have literally spent all day playing the game, so they're probably already experts at it. I didn't try the online mode yet. I just tried the battle mode where me and my sister were going against each other. She was absolutely beating me, like 100% wrecking me. But I just have a feeling that just like every other Smash Bros game, there's going to be a big hype with it and then it's just kind of die out, which is like how every game is. But I already felt the repetitiveness. Okay, I have a really bad lisp right now with my aligners in. It has a really big repetitiveness to it already. And I guess that's just for me because I don't typically play like fighting games or anything like that. Yeah, I guess that's just my opinion. Like I don't find fighting games like completely fun. I find them kind of repetitive. I do need to play it a little bit more to give like a full review on it, but I just wanted to give like my first impressions. I love all the characters that they have. I love that they added a lot more characters to it. I just need to try out all the different modes so I can get like the full experience from it. I'll probably do a live stream sometime this month of me playing it so I can play with you guys. If you guys don't know, I do live streams every once in a while where I play video games and you guys can play with me. So I have a lot of friends on my friends list from YouTube. So if you guys want to add me on the Switch, if I'm ever live streaming, then you guys can add me then. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have a really exciting vlog coming tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. But until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!